Hello, what's up YouTube? This is Primsum, and what I'm doing today is I'm just doing some Halo, and I'm just gonna tell you how to survive for a long time on what do you call it, Lone Wolf. So let's just begin. So sorry I ain't been uploading for a long time, and I uploaded the next film of the End of Everything montage because Microsoft banned me because my bio had middle fingers, but my account will be up and running tomorrow. So this is just my armour that I was using. So I had the Grenadier shoulder and chest with a commando, and EVAC, no attachments of blue visor. So first of all, what you want to go and do is one of you want to go and pick up that drop shield. So you just the other one wants to pick up the Spartan lady. So we just like looking at these bodies, like whoa, these all like cool, and then so I'll just speed it up a bit. First thing you want to do is you would want to just run up to this tower. that we're about to run up to this tower here, and get on the turrets. So it's easier to like easier to easier to kill the enemies for a certain amount of time. Just kill them, get on the turrets and detach them once you want to move. So here's, I'm just like playing these. And yes, my Dazzle ain't working on my computer, so I'll be borrowing my dad's. So that's why I can't maybe upload sometimes. It's just fast. I'm gonna put on some map from you. Well, and then after, I think from here, because there's loads of generals now, my friend just died. One of our clan members just died. What happened here? I think, yeah, only so pretty powerful on the drop shield. So once I run out of ammo, I'll run over to here and then pick up the mate's DMR. And this is a good spot to camp because like none of the enemies can shoot through the holes because like there's a return to battlefield there. And then so just camp here for like a good old I don't know, 5 minutes or so. And then in a minute we're just gonna like then here what we do is my mate got me up there, well my co-leader got me up here now, I started mucking around, just teabagging and then one of our friends come online. So once we're all ready to go and that, we're gonna go move. So now when the general elites start coming, me and my friends start moving over here. First of all, we took out the general energy sword and we picked it up. Because we'll need it for close combat fighting, and then after this we run over and pick up the concussion rifle because that looks like the gun they're using the most. So once I kill them, I'll pick up the concussion rifle with the ammo. And then I realise that loads of generals are using them, you can just see in the background. So I decided to keep it and my energy sword because I like loads of my energy swords. So yeah. stick up. No, I don't. Oh yeah, we saw the gold. We saw a golden ranger. That was it right there. We're looking at. So yeah, I started getting rapidly sprayed at by like those focus rifles and that. And then I think right around here, my mate dies, and then I don't know, I can't remember, but like, and then after this I'll have like millions of elites on there. So you can see like loads of elites start to come over and start shooting. So what I do is I just camp here shooting them with energy swords, and then that energy sword elite ran off. I don't know why, but that doesn't really matter. So yeah, I'll just start shooting them. And then I'll run back over here. Help my mate out because he was nearly dead, so I gave him the energy shield. Drop shield. Let him use it. Then he started getting shot by an as well. So once we had done this, we had wraiths and that all shooting us at now. And then we just thought we would get overwhelmed, so we just started camping around this spot, and every time an elite come we just killed them. Yeah. Now I assassinated them. I think here I assassinated another, I'm not sure. So I picked up a new energy sword because I was low on ammo. And I made for like a run for it. Then my mate died. So once after that we well, just me really, just I just camp out around here shooting the elites like that. So the elites couldn't shoot me from there, so I just stayed there. I got a wraith, which was up behind me, so I had to make a move for it. I think here I start speeding up. And then, yeah, so, what was I thinking of? Yeah, you guys, I've got a PS3 now, so, I'm going to soon get some splitters and that, make some films on PS3, because I need to make some on here once, and I might be starting a new clan up on just for PS3. Crimson's going to stay on Xbox, and the new one's going to be XZ Gaming. If you want to join that, just comment, and yeah, so once you're in, you just start camping around this spot. Because this is a pretty good spot to be, because like, all the elites in that can't get you. It's a pretty hard spot to camp. And some reason like pools get there. So I'm just like snitching these up and fast forward. Oh yeah. So I'm going to put some music on for a good old, sorry about that. Sorry about that, use. Right, so I'm just going to second from the Estor American Boy. Just for a couple minutes.
Just a #1 champion sound, yeah, Estelle, we about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touchdown and bet they give me a man. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Better come on, we need more. See, we just sold out all floors. See,
Take me on a trip to go someday. Take me to your town to see LA. I really want to come with you. You'll be my American boy. He said, Hey sister, it's really nice to meet ya. I just met this professor, I was just my type. Like the way he speaks, confidence is speaking. Don't like his baggy jeans, but all I like was something new. And no, I get to LA. I heard the cat never reaches New York all the way. Friends that see the West End, I'll show you my record. I'm liking this American boy, American boy. Take me on a trip out to go someday. Take me to your town to see LA. I really want to come with you. You'll be my American boy, American boy. Can we get away this weekend? Take me to your way. Let's go shopping, maybe then we'll go to a cafe. Let's go somewhere. Take me to your hood. I've never been to Brooklyn, and I like to see what's good.
So here we go, this is the last part, and so I'd just like to speak and say some things. So on Halo Reach and Black Ops and everything, if you want to play with me, you can play with me. I'm doing like, if you want to play with me on that game, just send me a message and we'll just play a couple custom games online, and Black Ops and that, multiplayer. Just have some fun and that, and then yeah. So if you want to join Crimson, just send me a message, or XZ, just send me a message. That's for PS3, and then yeah. So hope you enjoyed the film, and I'll see you later. Bye.